shout out Glenn Martinez TV.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Kumusta guys? Ngayong araw muli tayo magre-react sa banda Mission Souls. Ito yung kanilang pinakabagong cover song na kanta ni Jim Breakman, yung Your Love, isang pang Valentine's Day, no? na kanta. Ayan, bagay na bagay sa parating na Valentine's Day. And pakinggan natin guys kung gaano kahusay si Mami Sheena at ang bandang Mission Souls dito. Do it sila ni Stacy pala dito guys. Intro pa lang palakado na eh. Kuwang-kuha ni Naces yung sa piano.
It's not the flowers wrapped in fancy paper. It's not the ring.
Ang cute ni Stacy tsaka si Neisha. Sa sign language.
I wear around my finger. There's nothing in all the world I need when I have you here beside me.
Lamig ng boses ni Mami Sheena dito.
Here beside me, so you could give me wings to fly and catch me if I fall or pull the stars down from the sky.
Ito yung mga genre ni Mami Sheena talaga. Mga ganitong klaseng kanta, bagay na bagay sa boses.
I could wish on them all, but I couldn't ask for more, 'cause your love is the greatest gift of all.
Sarap pakinggan yung piano. Pati yung acoustic.
In your arms,
Swabe ng pasok ng drums ni Ice.
found a strength inside me, and in your eyes there's a light to guide me. I would be lost without you, and all that my heart could ever.
Solid din ang tunog ng bass guitar dito ni Daddy Second, ano? Talagang balanse lang yung tunog ng mga instrumento nila. Talagang laging naka-balance. Galing ni Daddy Second talaga mag-timpla ng tunog.
Come true. So you could give me wings to fly and catch me if I fall or pull the stars down from the sky. So I could wish on
Ramdam mo yung emosyon ni ni Stacy dito sa kanta.
them all, but I couldn't ask for more, 'cause your love is the greatest gift of all. You could offer me the sun, the moon, and
Ito yung medyo mataas na part yata to. Ayan, pakinggan natin kung paano itatawid ni Mami Sheena.
I will still believe you gave me everything when you gave your heart to me.
Grabe, napakaswabe. Ang swabe nung birit ni Mami Sheena doon. Pero nang ibabaw dito yung piano ni Naces. Kasi parang pianista yata yun, si Jim Breakman.
I couldn't ask for more, 'cause your love is the greatest gift of all. You could give me wings to fly, catch me if I fall.
Simpleng-simple lang kay Mami Sheena, no? Medyo mataas din tong kanta na to eh.
I'll pull the stars down from the sky so I could wish on them all. But I couldn't ask for more. 'Cause your love is the greatest gift.
Wala nga lang adlib no, tong kantan to. Kaya hindi makapag-adlib si Neisha ngayon. Pero okay lang kasi na, talagang ganito yung flow ng kanta na to eh. Talagang love song eh. Medyo mabagal lang yung flow. Tsaka emotional.
Your love is the greatest gift of all. The greatest gift of all.
Grabe. Solid. Husay talaga ng family banda to. Grabe yun. O diba guys, anong masasabi nyo dito sa bagong cover song ng banda Mission Souls? Ayan, i-comment nyo lang guys ang inyong mga reaksyon at mag-subscribe na rin kayo sa banda Mission Souls kung di pa kayo nakasubscribe sa kanilang channel. At kung mahilig kayo sa mga ganitong klase reaction video, mag-subscribe na rin kayo para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod pa nating content. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.